Hey everyone, so how to create an invite train. If you have one invite and you really have a lot of friends and family or business associates that you want to get in, I'm going to explain to you how you can turn that invite into letting all of your friends in. Let's get right into it. So the first thing that you need to do is create a Facebook group or maybe a group chat, something where all of the people that you want to get in that you know of right now are going to be on that one chat. Okay, I used Facebook, right? And so what you want to do is have them all in there, and you're going to control this. Okay, so basically you are going to say, okay, the first person that we're going to get in is going to be so and so. I need you to give me your cell phone number, okay? I'm going to put your cell phone number in my phone. Then what you do is open the Clubhouse app, and I'm going to put a screenshot here. You're going to go to a little envelope that may have it should have, if you have an invite, it'll have a little tiny gold star. You're going to click that, and then in the little search bar, you're going to put their name that you saved their contact as in your phone list. So that little envelope actually goes into your phone contacts, okay? Then you're going to send invite. You really got to control this, because if it's anybody you don't trust or don't really know, and then they take that invite that they now have and they just run with it, well, then it ends your invite train, okay? So then you say, okay, so-and-so, I got you in. Here's the next person that you need to get in. Next person, please put your phone number here. The person I just got in, please put this number into your phone. And you're going to send them a screenshot. Go to the envelope and click invite and find their name. Okay, so that's one way to do an invite train, and you just keep doing that over and over again. The second way, if you want to have a lot more control, what I do is just individually message each person. So I get one person in, and then when they're in, they're like, oh my God, thank you. I'm like, okay, do not use that invite. I'm going to get you the next person to invite. And I go to that person, I say, what's your cell phone number? When you receive the invite, do not use it. Wait until I give you the next person to let in, or you're going to ruin this invite train, okay? And so I get that person's number to the one that I just got in, and I say, okay, invite this number, and I have to explain to them because none of them know how to do it. So you have to kind of have like a little paragraph that says, hey, you're going to go in, add them to your contacts, go to the little envelope with the star, and you're going to invite, right? So I just kind of like copy and paste that as I do this. Now, you're not getting anything for this. There's no money I make. You're not going to make any money off of this. You're not going to get credit for inviting those people. You're really doing this out of the kindness of your heart. So these, preferably are people that you care about, or people in business that you want to help out get on the app, which is why I'm doing this. I am literally making nothing off of this. I'm only doing it because I really see the value in Clubhouse. So that's how you can create an invite chain. Now, if you want to take it up a level, you can actually make a Facebook group and call it Clubhouse Invite Chain, and you will get people you don't know joining, and you can help them get in. But again, it's not really helping you like in any way. You're like, well, what are you getting out of it? Well, you're not getting anything. You're just helping people, okay? All right, I hope all of you get on Clubhouse, and best of luck to you. Please subscribe and turn on notifications, because I'm going to be doing giveaways for all of my invites. All right, bye-bye.